Namaste, I'm Dr. Pallavi Kwatra, and I welcome you to attend this upcoming workshop, which is on Telegram. And the workshop will cover three topics of evil eye protection, chakra balancing, and aura cleansing. So, I'm going to be giving you a review of what are the subjects that we will be covering in this workshop. This is a PDF based workshop where every day you will be receiving one PDF with details and information on that particular day's subject. You need to read and review and make notes of your PDF and apply that information and knowledge to your life. So, on day one, we will know about aura, chakras, and psychic attacks. So, we will get to know what is the meaning of an aura, what are the various layers of the aura, and what are the factors that affect our aura. We will also learn a couple of aura cleansing techniques which will help us have bright, radiant, and shining auras. We will also learn to protect our auras and prevent auric triggers that can cause us disease and despair. After this, in day one session, we will get to know what is the meaning or a basic introduction of the 7 chakras. What happens when these chakras are imbalanced? How can we assess that any of these chakras are undergoing an imbalance? And then some techniques to balance these chakras. At the end of day one, we will be learning about what does a psychic attack appear to be, what is nazar dosh or evil eye, so that if we are a victim of these in our life, we will be able to identify them. On day 2, we will understand the mindset changes for a clean and energy living spaces. For that, we will get to receive some affirmations for clean aura and balanced chakras. We will understand how to have very healthy relationships with everybody around us and how to set healthy boundaries to keep our aura protected. We will also receive some self-care ideas which we can apply to our daily lives. We will learn how to practice gratitude and mindfulness. Forgiveness is very important virtue for keeping us upbeat and free. So we will learn how to use forgiveness in our life using the traditional Ho'oponopono meditations. We will also learn how earthing or grounding or contact with the earth with our barefoot helps us to release negative emotions and keeps us balanced and grounded. In day 3, we will receive some meditations and processes for aura cleansing, chakra balancing, and protection. There will be various meditations which you will receive. They will be the Ho'oponopono forgiveness meditation, the white light meditation, the violet flame cleansing, a process for cord cutting with those individuals who have passed away or gone by, but they still seem to cause you some emotional hurt. Earthing meditation, a little bit about Qigong for aura cleansing. Day 4 will be a blend of Eastern Tantric traditions or sadhanas and nazar dosh remedies. These will include mantra chantings or pujas, which will help you ward off evil intentions, black magic removals, and aura cleansing. These are going to include details on Kal Bhairava, Kali, Kamakhya, Hanumanji, and Uchchista Ganapati. You will receive some very simple nazar dosh remedies that you can practice and apply at your own homes. Eggs are very good for aura cleansing, so there is a detailed process here on how to use the egg cleansing ritual. The ritual can be done once in a month or once in a fortnight and will help you feel very free and released. You will also get to understand how to identify black magic so that you are wary and protect yourself from it. On day 5, you will receive various tools for psychic protection, aura cleansing, and chakra balancing. These may include a set of things like evil eye jewelries, bracelets, rings, pendants, and some crystals which are very good for psychic protection. You will get to understand more about selenite and labradorite. Black tourmaline, black onyx crystals are very good for psychic protection. You will see how to use them in your daily life. You will also learn how to use rudrakshas and basically Kamakya kits, which are specific kits curated by me for your psychic protection. You will also receive secret tantric protection tools once you enroll for this workshop, and the 7 chakra balancing tools, which could be crystals or other devices. You can also book your Nazar kits, which are actually a set of items that will help you in your psychic protection. So, Nazar is basically the psychic protection kit that we have curated especially for you, and you can request for those and you can book those kits. So, thank you so much for all your attention. We welcome you and hope to see you in the workshop. Thank you.